In this video, I will tell you how to fix Icue parent app keeps crashing. So please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down. And here you will see app management or similar name option for apps. And now tap on app list. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type Icue. And now tap on Icue parent option. Now tap on storage usage option on the top, and here you should have to clear the cache as well as data. Okay, now close this app and go to Google Play Store, and now tap on search option in the bottom. Now tap on search option on the top and here type Icue, and now tap on here, and here you will see update button option. So simply tap on update. This will install the latest version of this app. After that, you can also check your internet connection and restart your phone. So this will fix the issue for you. So hope this will help you. Thanks.